This is a CD43 head unit, and today it's been refreshed with Bluetooth. I sent my own radio in a few months back while BMWRadios.com was still finishing up the software for this mod. So this is actually the very first CD43 he's modded this way. It came all the way from Estonia, and DHL got it back here in about 48 hours. They've included RCA outputs, which is great if you're running my Stage 1 amplifier kit. Clean signal, no adapters needed. Let's get it in the car and I'll show you everything it does. First thing I want to check is how they handle the Bluetooth, because most mods out there are an external box wired into the CD changer port, and a lot of them aren't plug and play either. You're soldering wires, splicing into the harness, and it's way more involved than it needs to be. This one's different. The Bluetooth's built directly into the radio, so the original CD changer still works right alongside it. Everything's controlled with the factory buttons too. No external module, no remote, no app to open, and AM/FM, both still fully there. Nothing got sacrificed to add Bluetooth. And I'll say this, a lot of the aftermarket Bluetooth solutions I've seen are old tech. Laggy connection, no real call handling, you're not getting proper buttons to answer or end a call. This is where you can really see the thought that went into this. The settings menu got real depth, different display options you can toggle on or off, a few readout modes to cycle through, and even how your Bluetooth shows up on screen. You can tell this was designed with the driver in mind, not just thrown together. Take a minute to go through it yourself once you've got one. There's a lot here to make it feel like your own. This is running through our Stage 1 speaker kit, our Helix DSP, and our sub, and sound quality wise, it's a huge step up over stock. No cutting, no drilling, everything drops right into the factory locations. The DSP is really what's doing the heavy lifting here. It lets you shape the soundstage exactly how you want it, whether that's a neutral, accurate tuning, or something warmer with more low end. And there's still room to grow. Our Stage 2 upgrade takes it even further, with the DSP amp controlling every speaker in the cabin. We even go beyond that with the Stage 3, which adds a monoblock amp dedicated to the subwoofer with its own volume knob. Coming up next, I'm putting the Stage 2 head-to-head against the factory amp so you can hear exactly what the DSP brings to the table. Thanks for watching.